Hey everybody, I hope everyone doing okay. We we've been having issue with this chainsaw, and it started with one, and we just try to get one running. These two working in daytime when we need it, but now no one is cranked. So I'm gonna have to first thing open this part down here. We'll do one at a time. These two down here are the same. Okay, soon as we got this cover out, you can see that the sawdust gets stuck down here. You can tell they get oil down here too. So we gotta clean this up. Check this filter. I'm gonna clean it up, wash it up with gasoline. So you can see down here is dirty. So there's two things that I need to do. I need to brush it, all this stuff out in here. I hope there ain't nothing bad. I hope they have what you call, I can't remember. But I'm thinking, I'm not sure because I'm not professional. I'm thinking everyone started doing the same thing. Sometimes they crank, sometimes they don't. And when one is off, I try to crank one of these, because these two more small than that one right there. But not one, these three chainsaws work. So I'm gonna brush this, clean it up, clean this filter. Then I'm gonna check the spark plug. I'm gonna see if it come up. Alright, and you know this thing got multiple use.
Multiple uses.
Yeah. This part, this side is for down here
The chain.
to tie the bar. This one is down here. You use it down here to tie them up. This side you just tie the bar. This one you
Tighten
put
the
more
chain.
tension on the chain. And this small part, you use it, well, so you use the same side to get a spark plug. So this time you use it. Same one you use it to tie the bar, you use it for a spark plug. Ow. Gosh. I want to get it close so you can see. You see the color? It looks, first it looks wet down here. And it looks like it's been burned. I got this one, but I don't know that's the right one. Yeah, they look like it. This is the new one, this is the old one. Yeah, this one look more small.
Well, they picked the numbers out at
Yeah.
parts place. Don't put it so tight it breaks. This one. Slide that chainsaw over so you can work on the next one. Move the tripod if you work down on that
I
end.
gotta finish doing this one. Alright guys, I got a spark plug change on this.
You got it gassed up and oil
I
in
got
it.
the gas, I got my
Tighten the chain.
gas. You mix one of these oil
With a gallon.
for 1 gallon. This is only 2.5, but I only put 1 gallon every time I put one of this. Clean gas for
Regular
lime.
gas.
So I put oil,
Clean
gas,
the filter.
clean the filter, change the spark plug, tie the chain. They need a little sharp. I noticed that they need a little sharper chain, but
All right, so that one's ready to go, but you ain't gonna crank it up till you get all 3 of them done, right?
yeah. I'm working
That was Steel 170.
still. Excuse me.
And this is a steel what?
Still 170.
Both of them 170? Miguel has got cold.
See this one. The other one you have to do with this. This one you just go by hand. And look like this one needs the same time this clean it up.
Yeah. That's the filter.
At the same time, this it looks wet. See that here? And then
Hold
here
it toward the camera.
it looks a burn. I don't know, you can see right here.
Yeah.
It's black though, like the burn. So I'm just gonna change it. That's the other one we change it. Change from there when you see that looks
Burned.
the same. I'm gonna finish clean.
All right, he got the other 170, steel 170. Cleaned up, cleaned out, and a new plugs. Clean filter. And he gonna set it over there on the table with the other one until he gets the big one finished, and then he'll show you what they all sound like when they get cranked up.
So put gas in it and working on the next one.
Working on the next one. All right.
Alright guys, we have the other one 170. The clean. Got a new spark plug. New gas, new oil. So I need to do the same time on this one.
This one is a steel 290. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
This one is more.
It's a 20-inch bar, and
Yeah.
those other two are 16-inch
16.
bars.
So I'm gonna do the same time.
You're going to clean it up, change the spark plug. gas it up, oil it up, and then when he gonna get them all done like that, and then he'll crank them up, and we'll let you see what they look like running.
Okay, guys. I've been working on this 3 chainsaws. So far I got 170 running and 290. Well, this one and this one are both 170. But I still got to do a little more work on this one. It cranks, but when I cut it off, like let's say I cut it off today and I go back and try to crank it tomorrow, they don't crank, so I kind of have to do little more work on it. But let's see if these two crank it today. I know I tried it 2 or 3 times and they crank it. As long as they've been so cold, it might be that's why I don't want to crank. I don't know. Like I say, I don't know what I'm doing. I just thinking that's what I need to do. Well, let's see if they crank and if they crank, then I go through a little details and let you know what I'm doing on it. Hey guys, I have that too running, but on this one, I have to open it up again, see if I don't miss any time. I'm gonna try a little bit more hard on it, and if I can make it running, then I can take it to a friend of mine. See, it pays off. Knows that that some other people that more smarter than you, and the good thing when they get to know you, they work on your stuff as soon as possible. But right now, I was changing spark plugs now, all three, and do all the cleaning, and cleaning the filters. But on this one, is 170. I think a friend of mine when he tell me I can work for the chainsaw, he don't make me do too much work. And when they stop, I just crank it, clean the spark plug the last time that I cranked this one. But I probably when I got it from him, they probably already had that issue. I know that one, the big one with a 20 inches bar. I got that one for a long time. But like I say, I got two running. I can't say I got three running because you ain't see this one running. So I just do a little work on this one. I'm gonna do more research and see what I can do. For what I gotta do, I can just use one, but I always like to have two, just in case something goes wrong on one, you got the other one to back you up. And like I always say, I'm no pretending like I'm smart. I just listen what other people say, what other people do to their machines. Then I try. And like in chainsaws, I mean, hear other people say, oh, I do this and I do that in my chainsaw and they run. So I'll try that. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't, because there's not always the same issue. But guys, I hope you like watching our videos. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe to help our channel grow. You see, I can fix 3, but I got 2 running. So there was a win-win. Can't say I completely lost on that one because I'm gonna try to figure out what I do wrong or what I not do and might need done. And maybe I can get it running. But like I say, if I can get it running, then I'll take it to a friend of mine. He probably charged me probably $50 to fix. It might be there's a simple thing that he works on small engines all the time. He works on tillers, lawnmowers, chainsaws, weed eaters, trimmers, all that stuff. So for today, that's all what I'm gonna do. Maybe come back tomorrow and do a little more work on that one and see what that comes out. So guys, again, if you like watching our videos, don't forget like, share, and subscribe. God bless every one of you guys. Hold in your prayers. We keep you on our prayers as well. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye.